Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo midia. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Pastor Vam. My special greetings to our Prime Minister, Simon Njoko Ekpa, Meju Ebuago. May our days be longer. And also greetings to all the government officials. Special greetings to every one of you that have been.
Go ahead, go straight to the question. The PM doesn't have time. Just go straight to your question, please.
Okay.
Abu Jebwe, go straight to your question.
Please allow me to say to thank our Prime Minister. Please, others have been doing that. Okay. Moving forward, please, our Prime Minister. My question goes like this because of time factor. I have to make it brief. Because of our sister Amaka, now we have a government that are very eager and ready to protect each and every of us. Is there any way you can come in to showcase everything that this Nigerian Islamic terrorist government has done to Igbo people, both verbally and otherwise? That will help Amaka as well and let the whole world know why Amaka acted the way she acted. Because as I come in, please, that is my question. Is there any way the government of Biafra can come in? Because now it's government versus government. Because Nigerian government is involved. The House of Senate and the representative is involved.
It's like you just want to talk.
Thank you.
The Amaka issue has been it is almost a bygone. You know, are you not following up the events?
Yeah, I'm following up. I'm following up, but because Amaka claimed damages from the Abike Daberi. The Nigerian government should be involved.
Is that a victory? You are watching. Just watch the victory.
So what exactly are you trying to say? You know, some of you, I don't know. Some of you just if you are here now, just knock your head with when we are very little. And the like this, you will call any the person. Honestly, some of you need it now. So that how can you be following this whole event and you are still talking about how can government intervene? We have intervened even from the beginning. It was the intervention of the Biafra government that necessitated what is happening today. When the criminals went aside contacting her and been making video about her, we provided evidences to the Canadian government, and we are ready to provide and defend her, even including providing lawyers and representatives. So what are you talking? You are here you just want to talk. Please, all this but
Prime Minister, the case has been treated, and I know the government is involved.
You were following and see that we are the first government that intervened to protect Amaka, and we are standing with her till tomorrow. First, we provided documentation, evidences to the Canadian government from the Foreign Affairs or the Biafra Republic government. So what are you here talking? And you claim to be following what we're doing.
Oh. And there was a press release from the office of the Prime Minister.
And the news media carried it everywhere. The whole Nigerian media carried it, and you are here talking. Ask a question.
Thank you. Your time is gone. Thank you very much. You're done. All right, we'll take the next person. Please, I'm curious. Where is this person? Mega. Okay, yeah.
If somebody, you can imagine, if somebody like Agu Jegbe, who is deep-rooted into this struggle, can be asking this kind of question. Now, Josiano Miyendo's name.
Honestly, so annoying. Anyway, okay.
This Agu Jegbe is one of the powerful people we have in the media. Did they send the message? Did they send the message now? WhatsApp? Did they have to voice note everywhere? If he can be asking this question by this time, now Josiano, what are other people will be doing?
Ikebo. Please, PM, please bear with him for now because I think he must have learned. Please, Egbe Beru, Ugo Beru. Please, 1 minute, please, very quickly.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I greet you, my Prime Minister.
Go ahead. Go straight to the point, please.
It's not like a question, but the Biafra now, the Biafra freedom. I just like think that I don't know. sorry, the thing it's not coming out as I want to ask it. First, is like my fears due to the way Nigeria is now, and the structure of Nigeria with the foreign countries, the way they have treated Nigeria. I hope our alliance with other foreign countries, the West, they will not take advantage of Biafran like the way they did in this country called Nigeria.
Let them take advantage. We are ready to give them anything. Let them take advantage for now. Let them
Thank you.
take the advantage. We allow them to take the advantage for now.
Not like now we are fighting for freedom. I know that now.
No, take the advantage. We don't have problem with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, another one is I have an encounter with somebody that had a call in my presence from the east, claiming that they are kind of securing our land.
No security, we call it, they are
and
criminals. Don't respond to them. Anybody that calls you, they are the Nigeria internet fraudsters.
No, not me in particular. Not me in particular.
Anybody is a criminal. Don't listen to them. Please, can you change this person, please? There is too much noise.
All right. Yeah, I think we are good with you. Thank you. Please close your mic there. All right. David, after you, then Biafra Unite. I don't know how long our PM still has. David, please unmute yourself.
Do we have time, Keeper?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Deputy Minister of Information. My Minister of Information, I salute you as well. The PM, I salute you from my location, sir. My question to you, sir, I have a couple of questions, but let me start with this one. Number one question.
Pick two best questions, because after you, then Biafra Unite, I don't know if the PM will still have time for other questions. Just 2 questions out of all the questions you have. So select the 2 that
God
will engage.
Okay, I will try.
David, in your own American interview, they come here. American visa interview. So go ahead.
Go ahead. Okay.
Okay, PM. Over 50 million Biafrans all over the world have given their mandate to the Biafran government, as you as well, to speak, to defend them.
Yes.
I want to ask you, sir, if ever I don't see that possibility, but I just want to ask you so that you can clear doubts of some overzealous Nigerians who may feel that way. If ever the terrorist Nigerian government...
We can't hear you again, no.
What happened? Did we lose him?
Gambia network.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can
We
hear
can
you.
hear you,
Go
David.
ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay, I said, if ever the Nigerian government decide to put referendum in their constitution, because they are now saying that the one you are conducting is being conducted by a non-state actor. If they ever decide...
Let me tell you. Okay, just ask your question.
Okay, if they ever decide to say, okay, we have put referendum in our constitution and they want to conduct for the Biafran people, will you jettison the one that you spend so much resources to conduct, sir? That's number one.
You mean after they have killed our people who are going to listen to their nonsense? First of all, who is non-state actor? They have to define what is non-state actor. We are state actors. When you have a vote of 50 million, have they ever produced 50 million votes in their general election? So who is state here? Who is non-state? We are the one who have the legality of the people, who have the legitimacy of the people, who have the trust of the people. So they are the minority. So who is the, the thing is that they don't know how brutal we are. Somebody like me, I have removed my heart for Nigeria. So I'm not the kind of person that are going to talk to about constitution. Which constitution? How are they going to write a new constitution in this stage that Nigeria is today, where everything is shattered? Constitution is not something you just sit and write and you say people. Constitution is something that involves everybody, including referendum on the constitution. People have to speak. Now, when Goodluck Jonathan conducted the confab, did they accept it? Are they not state actor? Is Goodluck Jonathan not a state actor? Let's even assume that they are the state actor. Who is President Jonathan? President Jonathan was a president, organized confab. This is a sitting president, organized a confab, which they believe could be a solution as at then. This northern oligarchy, they refused. So today you want to tell me you want to write a constitution. Our own referendum is going to, they must accept it, either in peace or in pieces. We're already in pieces. So I don't think, you think we are going back? You think we are going back? Today, 3 armored tanks was destroyed. You think we are going back? Today, Ogbunigwe bombed about 20 of them. You think we are going back? I don't think you know what we are doing actually. They must accept our referendum. We have provided a solution for our problem. And that solution has been accepted by over 50 million people. So even if there's going to be any other referendum, the government of Biafra, which we have actually instituted, have our map, is going to be in charge to conduct that referendum. Apart from that, we will fight. And fight. The remaining people will get Biafra. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I believe the Nigerian government have listened to this submission. My second question to you, sir, which have number B part, is this.
I told you.
Yes.
I told you people that is coming here for American visa interview. So,
the Prime Minister.
Go ahead.
The Prime Minister, in one of your X submissions or one of the information you made us to understand.
Let me understand you first. They say you have number 2 questions. So this one is number 1B.
2B.
2B, okay.
2A. 2A.
2A. All right, go ahead. Because I don't understand this where this A and B is coming from. So go
ahead. You know, Deputy Minister said I should answer only 2 questions. So I have to make number 2, A and B, so that it will fall within that same 2.
Okay.
So, my Prime Minister.
Number 2A now.
Yes, okay. Number 2A, sir.
Go ahead.
The PM, you tweeted some time ago that the Finnish police foiled 5 kidnap attempts on you and the 2 assassination attempts. I say kudos to them. And I want to ask you, the Finnish police were they able to do this because you are one of the influential citizens of the country as a councillor in Leti? Or is it how they are functioning in the country, irrespective of any citizen of Finnish, they have to defend it with everything that they have got?
This is how they defend everybody in Finland, whether you are a citizen or not a citizen.
Wow.
Wow.
It doesn't
Number
matter,
B.
It doesn't matter your status. Once you are threatened, they take it very serious. And that is why I'm bringing Finland to Biafra. You know, and when I'm telling you people I'm bringing Finland to Biafra, it is not a joke. We are going to have the same system.
Wow.
Thank you, my Prime Minister. I must say kudos to the Finnish police. They are exceptionally and wonderful in their discharge of their duties. Now, the big question is this. You accuse the Nigerian government of terrorism against you and the Biafran people. And it's the same Nigerian government that is coming on social media to tell us that they are working with the European Union in order to extradite you. They have not been able to make comment concerning this accusation you levied against them.
If anybody from European Union listening to them, make a bend.
You get that?
I get that, and I believe they get it as well. Thank you so much. I have other questions, but let me give on for others. Thank you.
Are you not seeing how silent they are?
Of course, and that is why I'm worried.
I think I'm somebody that they can push around. They thought that when they say, let me tell you what is going on. They think that when they say, oh, European Union, I will go back and start hiding. That's what they are looking for. What I don't know is that I'm well grounded. It is not this right that I know very well. This is my right that I know very, 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 very well. You know the inner and everything. You want to come and you stay in your zoo country there to come and tell me what is happening in Europe. No, but if European Union answer these people, make a bend.
Wow.
European Union. Who be European Union? Nonsense.
Thank you.
Next
Thank
question,
you,
please.
PM. Okay, Biafra Unite, I am sure you are also loaded like David, but please minimize your questions to 1 and 2. Please don't let it have B and C and D, please.
I had you, Bam. I will make it 1, 2, and 2B. 2A. Only 2A. Thank you.
And for people who don't know, David is the Biafra Lazen in Gambia. So for people who don't know him, David Nana is the Lazen officer of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile in Gambia.
Wow.
And he's doing a very good job there. David,
Mozambique, sir. Mozambique.
Okay, Mozambique. Okay. All right. Mozambique. Sorry.
David, you deserve a round of applause. Thank you. All right, Biafra Unite, please go to the mic.
All right, thank you. I hope I'm coming out clear, please.
Clear, sir.
Your Excellency, Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, MAZI, Simon Ekpa and Joko, I thank you so much for your great jobs. And I want to go straight to the question. But I want to draw your attention to the current challenge on Twitter, which has been trending since yesterday and today. I don't know if you are aware of it, but this trend or challenge is that the Afon Jazz are the ones now telling us who to use his name or who to use his picture for our struggle and, of course, our fundraising. So these challenges, they are now saying, according to the tweets which I have seen already, they say that you are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's face for our flyers on fundraising. That if you think, including IPOB, DOS Nigeria West Africa Limited, that if you think that you are popular, that you should drop the face and the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So have you seen this online challenge? And
let me tell you, I have seen it. Don't listen to them. it is not me they are attacking. The person they are attacking is MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, not me. They know that at this point I call the shot, not MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. He's not free, he's not a free man. So all they try to do is to use that particular propaganda so they can silence him completely. So they can take his picture, take him, anything about him out of the mind of our people. And that cannot happen. The IPOB Nigeria criminals did it in the first, they failed. So you think it's the Yoruba, Afonja people that is going to do it for them and succeed? When the IPOB Nigeria could not succeed, is it Afonja that will succeed? Forget them. What they are trying to do is so that we remove anything MAZI Nnamdi Kanu in what we're doing. And then people will forget him. That's all. So they are very mad that all the money they spent to kidnap him from Kenya, he is still being heard of. His name is still ringing bell because of the activity of Simon Ekpa and the BIAFRA government. So they are mad, looking for every means to remove him and his face from whatever we are doing so that he will be, nobody will remember him again. Even though we are calling for his release using our civil disobedience. But I don't want that picture to be showing anywhere. That's what they're after. You remember when they said they're going to sue me to court, including his own fake siblings? I was asking, where is the court? I'm still waiting for them. Today, where are they? So don't listen to those. All those. I've seen those things now. Let them continue to propagate the awareness of Biafra. That's what they do. When they think that they are attacking me, that's what they're actually promoting what we're doing. For those who don't understand what we're doing, they will go and start searching for Simon Ekpa, and then they will look at what we're doing and listen to media and see that Nigeria, the fuel is now 1,000 something. What can we do? This boy is shouting for a division of Nigeria, where he's providing a better solution for his people. Oh, let us support him more. Let us go our own way. Look at our Amaka sister, for example. Nigeria government come for her, for her head. Immediately, within 24 hours, the Biafra government took action. We begin to write Canada, and we are ready to provide anything she needs. That is what government is all about. For your people, for the people, and for your people. Nothing else. And today, she's up. Even though, when you see that the IPOB Nigeria was calling her, making video, recording and started using it for propaganda on social media. Did you see me making broadcasts or any of our media personnel making broadcasts on Amaka? No. But they were calling her and we were saying, oh, we are going to just tell us, just do this. Don't worry. We are angry that you are communicating with Simon Ekpa. Don't worry. We are going to call people. Which people are you calling? These are unorganized idiots. Unorganized idiot. When a government of Biafra is talking, providing evidences, writing, from a department of foreign affairs, a director, a professor, Joy Irobi, signed a document, provided evidences to the Canadian government, and we are ready to fund till tomorrow to fund the legal fee. That is what government is all about. And that was actually what put the idiot, the Olosho in Abigadebre, to sleeping, becoming a sleeping dog. She was backing. Did you see her back again? Because the people have called her, say, Simon Ekpa have intervened, just leave that woman. That's all. When she was writing, did you see her write again? Did you see her talk those nonsense again? Because they know that I am mad. When they talk about madness, my own carry Siki 6.
Siki 12.
Siki 12. Siki 12. When they think that they are mad, I am more mad than like all the Nigerians combined together.
All right.
What other people cannot do, I will do it times 10, and I will still stand.
Okay, thank you, sir. The second question, which will come with two A and B. This talking about, this one is not a question. I just want to emphasize briefly. This Amaka, our sister you talked about, there's a current video she made, I think that yesterday or today, where she was angry with the IPOB DOS Nigeria West African Limited because they were telling her to make a brief video, a 5 minutes video, and send to them so that they can post it. And they were telling her to insult you, castigate you, and say that you must not interfere to her case again. I don't know if you have seen that video, but that video is online now. So that one apart. Then the second question is, nke Azua now, initially before we thought that because you talked about the fake siblings of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. So before, initially we thought they have understood who is actually fighting for their brother's relief. Though somebody like me know their role, especially in Kenon Uno, with Kenon Ama, we know their role on the kidnap of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. So I cannot be convinced in any way. But we thought they have calmed down all this while. But in Cape Azua, it seems like the devil has started rearing its ugly head. So my question is, do you think they have now come together again with the DOS West African Limited to carry out their second attack?
No. They have not come back together. As a matter of fact, Oyendu MAZI Nnamdi Kanu have warned them never to attack me again. But as you can see,
And by Ekenekwen Mono, Kunsinesela na Igbo media, boy by si wotero na yabo osi di Ekpa. Master maka ya bụ ife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'elu akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Eke ife were ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche dropụrụ anyị ife iche n'elu akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo media. Ndị be anyị asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwụ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you and God bless you.